Hi guys, welcome back. In the previous video, we saw how to change the default username and password provided by Spring Security. We used application.properties to change that. But there were few drawbacks. We will not be able to have multiple users. We cannot provide authorities. To overcome that, in this video, we will see how to use in-memory authentication, which supports providing multiple users and adding roles and authorities. I am opening the IDE now. We will open basic security project which we created in the previous video. We will go to application.properties and we need to comment out username and password. I am selecting all and control// is used as a shortcut to comment this out. Save the property file. We will use Java configuration to enable in-memory authentication. For that, we will create a package. Control N, new package com.graphe.configuration is the package name. We will create a class then. Control N, class app security is the class name. We will extend web security configurer adapter from Spring Security, and we will annotate this with configuration. We will expose a method, a protected method with name config. This can be any name, and we will pass authentication manager builder as an argument. It is to this authentication manager we will add in-memory authentication. Auth dot in-memory authentication dot with user Saran and password a default password. As we are not providing any encryption, we will prefix this password with no op. So no op is nothing but no operation, which specifies that we are not using any encryption. We will add roles to the user. This user will have admin role and a user role. This roles, it supports multiple string arguments as the argument is string ellipsis. We will add one more user, and I am copying the existing user. We will name the new user as Shivaji, and we will make the role only as user. So we need to throw exception, as we are using in-memory authentication which needs to throw exception. We are throwing exception and marking this class as auto-wire, which will make this config method as a bean, and it will auto-wire the authentication manager builder. I am saving this class and start the application. If we could see in the console, there is no password encrypted or printed in the console. We will go to the browser now. Opening the browser now, we will go to localhost 8080. This will prompt for the username and password. So we will try with Saran and password. We are able to log in. We are able to go to the index page. Now we will try with dashboard page. We are able to go to the dashboard page also. We will log out. Yes, we need to log out. And we will try with the another user, Shivaji. Sign in. We are able to use both the users. So going to dashboard, we are able to go to the dashboard also. Signing out. So you could see that it fixes the problem. We are able to add multiple users and we are able to add authorities. But still, this has few issues. We are not able to add users or delete users and roles dynamically, which we will see how to fix in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.